All right, welcome, my friends. In in continuation of what we have started on problems of definite integral, we have the third problem to consider, and it's before us. We have to integrate tan x dx from pi over 4 to 0. Pi over 4 being the upper band value and 0 being the lower band. All right, solution. Recall that tan x is the same thing as sin x over cos x. So first thing we did was to replace tan x as sin x over cos x. Now, next we did was to let u equal to cos x. If u is cos x, differentiating the function du, of course, will give us minus sin x, because if you differentiate cos x, the result is minus sin x. Of course, so that replacing u as cos x and du is equal to minus sin x. Of course, from there, we know that dx divide both sides by minus sin x will give us dx. And dx is the same thing as du, of course, minus sin x. So, from what we had earlier on, sin x dx become a du, though it's negative, so become minus du, and cos x, of course, we said it's u. So our problem now have reduced to minus du over u. Of course, evaluated from pi over 4 to 0. And of course, integrating 1 over x, 1 over u, is the same thing as the natural logarithm of that very variable. So du over the x and du over u, the result is a standard result. Ln u, of course, to be evaluated from pi over 4 to 0. Clearly, applying the law of indices, power law, the minus will go up. See, this power law, so applying that, our result will become, of course, first I did was to replace our u from what we recall. We said u equal to cos x. So our u now is replaced to the original term that we had before, which is cos x. Then we now applied negative law. Negative law states that if you have power law, if you have minus 2 log x, this simply means could be written as log x minus 2. It's a power law. Of course, now apply negative law, the same thing as x 1 over x 2. So it's a combination of two laws here we are trying to apply. We are applying power law as well as negative law. Thus that we're going to have 1 over the reciprocal of cos x. And the reciprocal of cos x, that's 1 over cos x, is sec x. So the result we are going to have will no longer be negative because we are applying negative law. So it's going to be top of x, which is cos of minus 1 of x. And of course, that is the same thing as 1 over cos x. And of course, that is sec x. So our result we have will be ln natural logarithm of sec x. Of course, evaluated from pi over 4 to 0. All right. And again, recall from our previous video, I make mention of pi. So in three related problems, pi is 180, that's in radian, conversion of radian to degree, 180 degrees. It's for 1 pi, 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees. So pi over 4 simply means 180 divided by 4, which is 45 degrees. So evaluating, we have sec 45 degrees minus sec 0 degrees. And sec 45 degrees from table is root 2, while sec 0 degrees is 1. So our answer is natural log, that's ln of root 2 minus 1. Please drop your question and your comments on the comment section of the video. See you later. Thank you.